Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Glimpse of Us by Joji, and this is the easier version, so all you beginners out there, don't worry, there's no bar chords. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab your ukulele and make sure it's in tune. G, C, E, A, standard ukulele tuning. And you don't need a capo unless you want to change the pitch, then that's up to you. So yeah, no capo needed. So let's go ahead and get to the chords. There are only 4 chords in this song, and they're super easy. The first one is an A minor, which is this top string on the 2nd fret. The chord after that is a D, which is these top 3 strings on the 2nd fret. The 3rd string is a G, which is your middle finger, bottom string, 2nd fret, pointer finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret. And the final chord is an E minor, the staircase one, and it is pointer finger, bottom string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret, and ring finger, 2nd string, 4th fret. So that's all the chords for the song. A minor, D, G, and E minor. Now let's go ahead and get to the strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern for this song, there's 3 different ones, but technically they're all the same because they're all down strums. But we're just going to go through each part of the song and show you how they are. So for the verses, it is 12 down strums, but I want you to think of them in sections of 3. So you have 4 sections of 3 down strums. So the first one's going to be the hardest, and then you're going to have 2 small ones. So doing 4 of them, it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's how the verses are going to be. For the pre-chorus, it's just 1 down strum on the 2 chords that there are. And I'm pretty sure it's just A minor and D. And then for the chorus, it's still the 3 down strums, but instead of doing 12, you just do it 6 times on each. So 2 groups of 3 instead of 4 groups of 3. So the chorus will be down, 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 down. Then you switch chords, down, 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 down. Then you switch chords. So let's go ahead. I'll show you what the verse sounds like and what the chord order is. Then I'll show you the pre-chorus and the chord order. And then I'll show you the chorus and the chord order. So for the verses, it is E minor, A minor, D, and then G. And you want to do the 12 down strums, so that's going to sound like this. So that's what the verses are going to sound like. The pre-chorus is A minor and D. And you can do it just like that. It's just 1 strum on each. So when you get to the pre-chorus, it's when you're out of sight in my mind, which leads to the chorus. And the chorus is A minor, D, G, E minor. So the chorus is going to sound like this. And that is how you play all the different parts of the song. So let's go ahead and try to sing a little bit of it. And yeah, that's basically it. She'd take the world off my shoulders if it was ever hard to move. She'd turn the rain to a rainbow when I was living in the blue. Why then, if she's so perfect, do I still wish that it was you? Perfect don't mean that it's working, so what can I do? You're out of sight in my mind. 'Cause sometimes I look in her eyes, and that's where I find a glimpse of us. And I try to fall for her touch, but I'm thinking of the said I'm fine, said I moved on. I'm only here passing time in her arms, hoping I'll find a glimpse of us. A creature with two heads, sleeping in two beds. Is it sweet